What's going on, y'all? It is Every Penny Counts, and I want to show you another site that you can use and sign up with for free to make money with. It's called InstaGC. The link to this site will be in the description. You can sign up for it, and you'll instantly get a bonus in your account as soon as you sign up. So definitely get started with it. You see here at the top my point balance. I have 1,042 points. That is equivalent to $10.42, and I'm going to show you how you can make money with it. But before I do that, I just want to show you this chat box right here because there's a lot of good information in here and opportunity to make money as well. And you'll see here, right here, this bonus points. The first 7 users to click here and enter this code, you'll get. You just enter the code and you'll basically see what you get. So you basically see the first 7 users are right here, and they all got 5 points, and they continuously do that. I think there's some more up here. Of course, the chat box, so people ask questions with it. You see there's another one right there. The first 7 users, they get, these amount of points. So there's a lot of, information you can find out just in the chat box. So always, pay attention to that. If I view more history, I probably can see more. But, they basically do this all day, every day. Just at random times during the day, so you really have to stay on top of it. But that's one thing to pay attention to. Also, what I've seen in this chat box is like sometimes people, they will take a very easy survey and they'll say, hey, so-and-so, this survey right here, it pays $1.35 and this is all you got to do. And so you just basically go over there and you do the survey. Just simple as that. The moderators on this site, they're very helpful. Even the users on this site, they're very helpful in just showing you and telling you different ways they're making money with. So, you can definitely try to find out what's going on. You can just, sometimes I would just ask in the chat box, like, what's the easiest survey to take? And you'll get good responses. And, that's really been helpful to me. That's helped me to get this, $10.42 that I have right now. So I'm going to show you real quick what I do. First, you'll see over here, this is the home page. You can click on different ads. You see here, I go to InstaGC. They don't always have a lot. Sometimes they have, 2 or 3. Sometimes they have 10, just depends. But you can just go and click, visit and interact with this site, 2 points. Visit and explore this site, 0.5 points. So that's 2.5 points right there. Just clicking on ads. All right, going back to the home page. You can do different. They have the surveys here, of course. It'll show you different surveys you can do. Your survey is one of my favorite ones in Sample Cube. And they also have their own survey wall, InstaGC. So definitely take a look at that. The video section. Clicking on this, you have Hideout TV. Everybody's familiar with that one. You just basically let that run, all day, every day. You can make good money with that. But also InstaGC, and I'm gonna show you something real quick with this one. If I go up to earn, you can also go to watch videos, and it'll take you directly to their page. Now, here's what I've made in the past just on watching videos, because a lot of times when I'm taking my surveys, I let my videos run, and you see here on different dates, a lot of times you'll max out at 50 watches, and you'll get 2.5 points for doing that, and also, there are bonuses that are being offered. So at the end of the week, you'll get a little bonus points in doing that. So it's not a lot, but it does add up. If you get 2.5 points every day, just watching videos, just let that add up. And you add that to the clicks that I just showed you like a few seconds ago. That's 5 points. That's 5 cents. Then you can combine that with the surveys. Now you're getting into the dollars. So it's just little things that continue to add up and making money with this site. So definitely, get your videos in. Sometimes, you'll be able to watch 200-300 videos. It just really depends on what they have available, because, if they're just letting everybody watch unlimited videos, that's an easy way for these people to, go out of business or whatever. But, they do max you out, so pay attention to that. Also, what I was telling you earlier about people showing you surveys, you see here, this is one right here. There's Mama Lily. She's saying the ad wall, the weekly senior list article, these 19 points. All you gotta do is click the offer and read through, and you'll get 19 points. So that's what I was telling you about people and right here they're saying thank you, because she probably, did it and tried out. So just pay attention to stuff like that. You can really make good money with it. I'll tell you, that's how half my money gets in my account, just paying attention to, what the users are saying here. So kind of going back to the offer wall, the home page. Other things you can do, aggregate rewards. There's a lot of good offers in there. Personally, ad wall, peanut labs, good survey providers. So there's a lot of good opportunities on here to make money with it. Just depends on you and what you're willing to, how much work you're willing to put into it. But just take your time with this site. Like I said, sign up today, and get started with it. The redemption on this site, I'm gonna go to redeem, and you have a gift card store where there's a lot of gift cards you can choose from. Of course, they have PayPal, they have Amazon, things like that. They have so many different gift cards. I mean, you can really just scroll through. You can kind of filter them however you want to do it. But pretty much everything you need is right there as far as the gift cards go. If I go to other rewards, I'll show you some different things you can do. You see here I've gotten paid in the past. It's been a while since I've cashed out in this site, but you can see $5 here, $5 there. Things like that. They got the direct deposit, they got the PayPal, things like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do the direct deposit. So I'm gonna click on that, and I already have my information set up. So I'm going to redeem, let me see if I can redeem $10 here. Or let me see, just take out the whole $10.42, I guess. So I'm gonna redeem that, and since my information is already in there, it's gonna go straight through. Make sure you want to redeem this. Okay. You see there my balance went down, and so now I'm just waiting for it to go into my account. So I mean, very simple. Just opportunity for you to cash out, various ways. Like I said, it's been a minute since I've cashed out on this site because I've been really busy. I got a lot of things in the works that's I'm working on. I use a lot of different sites. I mean, I'm answering a lot of questions. I'm focused on YouTube. It's just so many things that I'm doing. So sometimes I kind of fall behind on some of these sites, but this is what I'm getting back to, just because I've noticed that so many different opportunities on here, like the booster point codes and people recommending surveys. So this definitely something I'm paying attention to, and get more involved with, and adding it to my daily routine, because there are some sites I use maybe once a week, some I use once a month, and a good amount of them I use every day. This is one that I've been using pretty much like once a month, which is my fault, but now I'm adding it to my daily routine because I see the potential in it, and I recommend that you do the same thing. So like I said, sign up for it. The link to it is in the description. You'll get a bonus once you do that. I believe it's I want to say it's like 50 cents to $1. Just depends, but there'll definitely be a bonus in it. So sign up today, get started, and always remember, every penny counts.